how to fix no access on TikTok Live Studio PC. So if you get this error message, then it means that you probably don't meet the criteria in order to stream. So how can you fix this? We're gonna go to this website, and it's basically gonna tell us that your account needs to have a certain number of days behind it. So that means basically 30 to 180 days. So your account needs to have been created 30 to 180 days ago. You should have gone live from the app a certain amount of times. You also need some followers. Usually it's going to be 1,000 followers. So make sure you have 1,000 followers before you try going live on TikTok Studio. And also some other requirements. Your live access hasn't been suspended and you don't have any suspensions or revocations on your account. So if you meet all of that criteria, then once you click on your profile icon here and then click on live access, then it's going to show you these options. So you can get 14-day access, you can get 180-day access, and keep 180-day access. And these are going to be the requirements, and then you will just click on get access here and you will be able to stream using the TikTok Studio Live Studio app on PC. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.